Hi everyone, it's Marlene. I'm here at the townhouse, and for those of you that are new to my channel, you know, sorry about the background, I've got workers back there, but those of you that are new to my channel, you know I just bought the place in Kansas and we're having furniture move into that, and we're going to do some remodeling there as well. But this is the place in Florida. We're selling the condo. We're downsizing. So I'll leave a link to the last video where I explained everything in case you want to see that, in case you're new to my channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around. We are in the beginning stages. I'm really excited about this. So let me turn you around so you can see what's going on. All right, and these are the sliding glass doors, and they look out to a little pond out there, I guess. These blinds will be changed. They're going to be plantation shutters as well as the sliding glass doors. The paint is going away, and after I finish recording this, I'm headed over to order the countertops, and hopefully I can get the recycled glass that I want. The appliances I haven't chosen yet, so I need to do that. And I just want to show you, I took the other samples out, but these are some of the samples of the tiles that I was looking at. I think I'm going to go with the one on the left. The one on the right is about $4.50 a square foot. The one on the left is on sale for about $1.99 a square foot, and they're both the same material. They're both ceramic wood looking tile. And that door, let me show you. This door is a pantry, and that will all, I need to cover those shelves. This is a half bath in here. The countertop is going to be changed. I am not sure what that's going to be yet. I'm taking away that tile. Well, me is a lot of people. Someone else is doing that. Taking away that for the towel. And I'm going to replace those lights. And I'm going to replace, okay, come on, focus, those mirrors. Just a little area. I can't get you any far enough, right in the entranceway. Of course, all this paint is going. I think I told you that. And when David and Stephanie moved here, they had done this, and it looked beautiful. All their furniture was white, but now I'm going to have to remove it because it doesn't go with my decor. The stairs will be all in carpet. The downstairs will be in tiles. This is the upstairs landing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do up here yet in this area, but I have an area there for the washer and dryer. This is the second bathroom. We've already taken out the vanity from here. It was the same material as the one downstairs. I'm taking that away, putting in new mirrors. We took out, well, my son took out the tub that was there. I just want to walk and shower. And we took away the chair rail. This room here, did I say that everything's going to be painted? The previous tenant put that on the windows. It made me so mad. But anyway, we're getting plantation shutters there. The ceiling fan will be removed and another one put in, and this will be Wayne's office. And we'll have carpet in here. This room will be my makeup room. Could you believe that David did that with a Sharpie? Isn't that beautiful? If it would go with my makeup room decor, I would totally keep it. I thought he did an incredible job. Yeah, it looked really nice when they had it, but then I've had other tenants in here for the last 4 years or so, or 3 years. So this will be changed, and like I said, this is going to be my makeup room, my office, and I have to redo that closet. There are the doors. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep them. I'll probably just have them painted. Stephanie and David bought that, and I really like it. And I was going to leave that lamp, and then I started thinking about all of the heat that my lights put up. So I'm going to change that to a ceiling fan And if Stephanie wants her lamp back, I will send it to her. This is the master bedroom, and the doors to the bathroom have already come off. What we're doing here, the plan is to move the door over further in that wall. And the reasoning for that is because I want a big vanity in the bathroom, and this bathroom is not huge. So I'm getting a 60-inch vanity and putting it on this wall. Well, there's the doorway. So that can't happen. The vanity used to be here, and that was taken off. As you can see, there's the plumbing. This is the tile that's going on the floor, and that is the tile for the shower, and that is for the base of the shower. But yeah, the 60-inch vanity is going to go on this wall, so the plumbing needs to be changed from there to there. The door has to be changed from there to over here. In this bathroom, we also had a tub and a shower. So I asked them to take out the tub. My son did that, and we're just gonna put in a walk-in shower. But oh my goodness. These are the closets in the master bedroom, which I don't like, but this is what we're doing. And I will have plantation shutters there, and that ceiling fan will also be changed. So that's what it's looking like right now. All right, that is the tour of my current nightmare. It is a nightmare because there's a lot of floors to choose and appliances and all of that stuff. But I'm really hoping that it's going to look nice once we finish with it. We'll see. I'll take you along the way. Every time they finish a different step, I'll come over and I'll just record a few minutes like I'm doing right now, so you can see how the progress of it. I'll just do it once a week or once every 2 weeks and show you. All right, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you for coming on this tour of my remodeling of the townhouse. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.